welcome back to Watch Me World channel. Today I'm going to be making some banana porridge, and there it is here in Jamaica. You know, for breakfast, a regular morning breakfast for us, it's either food with some stewed chicken or a saltfish, or your go-to porridge. We do cornmeal, oats, peanut, hominy corn, but today I'll be doing banana. You could also do green plantain. Like, you could use any vegetable to make porridge in Jamaica. There's a lot of people that do that, but one of my favorites is banana porridge, green banana porridge. So basically I will be using 2 bananas for this recipe. I'm peeling off the skin first, and then I'm just gonna cut them up in small pieces for it to be blended. Now there's multiple ways that you can make your banana porridge. Some people stretch it with oats. I do that sometimes when I just like have one banana, and then I'll just add like a cup of oats to go with it, and then I'll blend it all together so it's nice and smooth. But today I'm using 2 bananas, and I'm doing it in a small pot, and 2 bananas is just right for this recipe. And the small pot, which you'll see me boiling in, that can yield about 2 medium bowls of porridges. So it's not bad. Like, I was able to get 2 bowls of porridge out of this because my husband, he's an oats guy. So usually when I make banana porridge, I also make a pot of oats too. So this is mainly for myself. So yeah, guys, I clean up my banana after I take off the skin. And in Jamaica, how I was taught to peel the banana is you slit down the sides, 3 of the sides, and then you peel it with your hands. But honestly, I don't like doing it that way. I really like to take the knife and just peel it all off because it's easier and I don't get all that banana stain on my hand. I was told, like, in order to not get the stain on your hand, to put a little oil, but I don't have time for all of that, guys. So yeah, this way works perfectly for me. Comment down below and tell me how you peel your bananas. I just find this way so much easier and so much cleaner because I end up cleaning off all those extra banana skin off of the banana anyway with the knife, so I just peel it all off. So yeah, guys, once I get that all done, I'm gonna slice this banana up as well, and then I will be adding it into my little blender here, and I will be adding in some water and just blending that up. So just stay tuned to see what else comes next. So now it's time to add in the water. As you can see, that line just right above the bananas, we're gonna add the water to the blender, and then we are going to prepare our pot as well with the cinnamon stick. I'm just using 1 cinnamon stick for this because, again, it is a small pot and the water is already boiling in my pot. It's I filled it up to about half, and then I'm just going to rinse my cinnamon stick before adding it in. And once I get that all rinsed, I'm just going to break it in half, and I'll just add that into my pot to boil. And it will give it a nice cinnamon flavor while I'm getting ready to add in my bananas. Now, guys, I've only added in, as I mentioned before, just right above the bananas because I don't like my porridge too thin, and I don't like it too thick. I like it in between. So once I get that all blended smooth enough, I'm just going to be adding that over into my pot. So now it's time to add in the blended banana into my boiling water with the cinnamon stick, and then I am just going to give it a good stir once I get everything into the pot. So the total cooking time for my banana porridge is about half an hour, and once I get the blended banana into the pot, I turn it all the way down, and then I also cover it so it simmers down for the first 15 minutes. So once it simmers, I will be adding in my spices. So I'm going to be using about a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, as well as, I would say, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg as well, and just a pinch of salt. Guys, all of these spices that you add is to your liking. I'm also going to be adding in 1 quart of vanilla, and that's my nutmeg there. Again, I grate my own nutmeg. I don't use the pre-grated one because I find that it does taste different. So once I get that all mixed up, again, I am going to let that simmer again for about 15 minutes before I add in my condensed milk. So after it has boiled for 15 minutes, I add my condensed milk in. I would say I am using maybe a quarter of the container of condensed milk. I find like this condensed milk now is not even sweet enough, so it always seems like I'm using more than what I really need. But trust me, it is not sweet enough, like the one that I used to use in Jamaica, the Betty Crocker. So now it's time to pour in my porridge. And this is the end result of my porridge, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and maybe if you try it, tell me, did you use 1 banana, 2 bananas with some oats? Tell me how it goes. Thanks, guys. Bye.